Hi, I'm Ian, the owner of Rick's Cleaners, and we just wanted to reach out and say thank you to all of our first responders and healthcare workers. You guys have been on the front line through this whole thing, and we really appreciate everything that you do. Now through Friday, April 17th, at our location located at 5324 Cameron Road, we're going to be offering free dry cleaning and laundry for your work uniforms. Again, that's now through Friday, the 17th. Free laundry and dry cleaning of your uniforms for first responders and healthcare workers. Again, we really appreciate everything you guys do for us. Dry cleaning has also been known as an effective killer of viruses and bacteria. We use special detergents and sanitizers in addition to the heat of the cleaning cycle that will kill viruses. We've also taken extra precautions in our store to keep you and our staff safe. We have installed safety protection shields that will be in between you and our staff during all transactions. We are also operating with reduced crew, reduced hours, and with gloves and face masks at all time. Again, we'd like to thank you for all of your support for small businesses in Austin. You guys are awesome, and we hope to see you back soon.